Yes. My name is John Buchanan from New York City, representing Casualty Actuarial Society and student outreach. And I've been involved with the GLOBE program for 3 years, a friend of GLOBE. And what we have here is a poster presentation that we put together about a year ago, but now we've revamped it a bit. It's a GLOBE Franklin Climate Change poster. And the concept here is that there's lots of information that's been collected back through like 1860 to show what the temperatures of the ocean have been rising over the last 150 years or so. Here's a little part with the land temperatures going up as well. The time frame before 1860, there's all kinds of information that's out there that hasn't been digitized and analyzed in any kind of systematic way. There's lots of information that are in journals and just starting to be tapped into. So here's some historical data examples that we have. If you look over here, this is information that was put together by presidents. So this is information that James Madison had put together back in 1798 to 1802. Here's a sample of one of the journal entries that he has in this thick book. And then here's information put together by a citizen scientist from 1776 to 1788. So there's all kinds of information that has not been utilized yet. Here's some other examples, information from Canada, which is a proud home of the GLOBE conference this year. And then you have information from London, South Carolina, and all different parts of the globe. And so the concept behind the poster and the analysis is to try to get the students interested and motivated in understanding the history of information that's been out there. I'm a statistician, I'm an actuary, and to try to get an understanding of what kinds of changes have occurred, not just from 1860 through to today, but also what happened in the prior 100 years. There's lots of issues related to sample size and instrumentation and urbanization effects and so forth. We're working up a couple of blueprint items for students to be able to start to tap into some of this old information using Excel spreadsheets, using Google and data visualization techniques. There's a lot of really nice things that are happening in many parts of the world to show how the temperatures have been changing over time. We have been developing with the GLOBE folks various items, the classroom poster. There's a lesson plan that we have here for middle and high school students with various activities that are outlined in there. And it certainly is a project that cuts across the entire curriculum. So the entire curriculum is captured in here, including English as a second language or for English language learners, a lesson plan for just basically identifying words and so forth. We have a video that's out in YouTube. The YouTube video is 8 minutes long, very entertaining, and definitely waiting for the Oscars to fall for the calling. So expect to see that probably in February. So that's basically the wrap up of what the project is all about. There's lots of different avenues that students and teachers can get involved in, and teachers in particular. A lot of the stuff is already well put together and would make for a really nice lesson plan. And thank you for your time.
Thank you, John.
Was that 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes?